Hey guys, I'm Ellie. I'm so excited to share with you and talk a little bit more about our Protect the Planet Refillable Minis Kit. This kit is made for the conscious consumer and with the planet in mind. So often I think about what our world will look like for the future generation and our kids. And I think it really starts with our daily habits and what we can do to create a more sustainable lifestyle. That's why this kit is so great, because you buy it once and use it forever. So what's in it? Let's take a look inside. This kit comes with 5 of our professional grade minis. The Superfood Cleanser, our Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial, the Adaptogen Soothe and Hydrate Activated Mist, the Superfood Air Wet Moisture Cream, and our Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. Like all of our products, this kit is made for all skin types, but works especially well for oily or combo skin. It's the perfect routine to target dullness, pores, and skin texture. Each formula is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and biodegradable, meaning it won't harm your skin, our oceans, or our planet. This amazing bag that comes with the minis is made from 65% recycled plastic bottles and 35% organic cotton. We use a sustainable packaging called green cell foam that's biodegradable and compostable. Once you're done with the minis, you can either refill them or reuse them in a lot of creative ways, like putting your vitamins in them, hair ties, and my favorite is propagating plants. Here's how you use these in your daily routine. So first, I start out with the Superfood Cleanser, which I use morning and night and really gives a deep clean without stripping your skin. So next up is to exfoliate with our Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial, which is my favorite. And you use it up to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. I use it 2 times a week, and I like to use it in the shower most. Next, I soothe and hydrate my skin with this Adaptogen Activated Mist. And then to lock in all that moisture, I use our Superfood Air Wet Moisture Cream and our Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. Each of the products can be used daily, so morning and night, except for the Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial, which you would use 1 to 3 times per week. Ultimately, I love this kit because it includes everything my skin needs, and I'm doing good for the planet, and I can reuse every part of this kit. The Protect the Planet Refillable Minis Kit is the perfect way to take care of your skin while taking care of our planet.